Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the transcription now. Open Premiere Pro, import your clips, and place them into a timeline with a dedicated audio track so the tool analyzes only what you need. Once done, switch to the text workspace and choose Transcribe sequence. Make sure you set the correct language and select the audio track that contains dialogue. Trim the sequence to the specific range you want transcribed to save time and avoid irrelevant audio. If background noise is high, apply a quick audio cleanup before transcribing. Once the transcription completes, review the transcript in the text panel and listen while following along. You'll catch words the engine missed. Use the built-in edit tools to correct words, apply find and replace for consistent terminology, and split or merge speaker segments so speakers read coherently. Then, select Create Captions and pick the caption format and styling, timecode format, max characters per line, and whether to include speaker labels. Make sure the captions align visually by scrubbing the timeline and adjusting any mistimed blocks manually. You're at the finish line. Decide how to deliver captions. Export as SRT or VTT, embed them in the file, or burn them into the video for platforms that need open captions. Once exported, do a final quality check by watching the full video with captions enabled and verifying punctuation, proper nouns, and timing. If things go wrong, retranscribe after improving audio quality or noise reduction. Then manually fix persistent errors in the transcript before recreating captions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.